Hey guys, it's Lauren Scott. I'm here with a quick and easy Flexi Rod tutorial. And when I say quick and easy, I mean quick and easy, one product. That's it. I'm not one of those naturalistas that has like a big box full of hair products. First of all, I don't know who has money for all of these hair products. Natural hair products are like super expensive. No, I don't have time for that. I got one product, one hairstyle. This is my go-to style. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So stay tuned to see how I make these super defined, super like amazing. I love this hairstyle. Stay tuned. I'll show you how to do it yourself. All right, guys. Well, here I am looking like a straight up biscuit. Ooh, I look so bad. All right. Well, my hair is a bunch of different textures right now because it's been rained on and I straightened it and a bunch of stuff is happening. A lot of products. It's definitely time for a wash. So here we go. And we're back. Hair is so fresh. It's so clean. Now it's time to blow dry my hair. So what I do is I just put my hair in sections. I spritz it a little bit to make sure it's not dry. And then I go through and blow dry my hair. I use the INFINITIPRO CONAIR blow dryer. I'll link that down below. Guys, check out this shrinkage. Am I the only one who struggles with this? Truth is, I'm tired. Okay, now this is the way that I choose to stretch my hair, and I find the straighter the hair is, the more volume I get with the final product. But if you don't like to use heat, that's totally fine. This style works with any form of stretching method. Who do I look like, guys?
Cray.
I can't believe I look like this on the internet. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the one product needed for perfect Flexi Rod results. Burn. It's the Monat Moxie Magnifying Mousse. Fireworks. I love this stuff, guys. I use it all the time. Now, next, you want to grab some Flexi Rods, any size you want. Now, let's get to the good stuff. You want to spritz your hair, not wet enough to revert it back to curly, but you definitely want it to be wet enough to set the curls. That's important. So shake up the mousse and get up just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, and put it through your hair. And then you want to twist it at the base and then grab a Flexi Rod and then twist it around, rotating your wrist as you go down, and secure it at the bottom and secure it at the top. I'll show you guys one more time. Spritz the hair, go through it again with a Demon brush, a little bit of mousse, twist the root, and then grab the Flexi Rod and rotate your wrist as you go down. That's a trick to having more natural looking curls. Let's speed through this real quick. I like to use the skinnier rods towards the top of my head because I feel they hold definition a bit longer than the fatter rods, but that's totally up to you and the kind of curls that you guys want. Okay, I want to slow it down and show you the technique one more time in the front of my head. Now again, you only want to use a little bit of mousse. If you use too much, your hair could get hard and crunchy. And you know, guys, it ain't 2002. That ain't cute no more. So you want to go around the rod, remembering to twirl your wrist as you go down the rod. And then secure it at the bottom. And secure it at the top. Okay, so this process takes me usually around 25 minutes, but we still have one more step to do. Everyone's favorite. Yay! We get to sit under the dryer. Now, if you don't have a dryer, that's totally okay. I just like to speed up this process. So 1 hour, here we go. 2 hours later. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours now because I took some time to do my makeup, so my hair is definitely set, and now it's just time to take the rods down. It's really easy. You just take the hair and twist it the opposite way off the rod, and then take them all down. Now it's time to separate the hair, and I like to start in the back and gently pull the hair apart where it naturally wants to separate. And remember, the more you separate the hair, the more volume you'll get. So if you're like me and you like really big voluminous hair, you're going to separate a lot. #21 Savage. Now, as you can see, the Monat Moxie Magnifying Mousse left my hair super shiny, super defined, and soft. And if you want to use this product, I'll have a link to it down below. All right, and last but not least, you gotta pick this ish out. Get it nice and fluffy, and make sure to get rid of any parts that might be hiding and trying to not let you be great. And once you get that all done, you will be finished. And here's the final product. It's so pretty. I love this style. I love the length that it gives me, the bounce, the shine. If you guys like this style, please try it and let me know in the comments down below how many compliments you get, because I bet you'll get a few. All right, well, there you have it. That is my quick and easy one product Flexi Raw tutorial. What I love about this hairstyle is it gets better as the days go by. It's day 2 hair, day 3 hair, it gets bigger, more voluminous. If you like big hair like me, it's great. If you have any questions or you want to see me do other hair tutorials like this one, let me know in the comments below. And while I have you here, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll put out new videos every week and you don't want to miss out. All right, guys, see you soon. Bye.